Hello students, let's quickly go through a short summary. In this chapter, we learn about Suraj, a curious boy who loves watching trains, and his surprising friendship with Sundar Singh, a watchman living in the jungle near a railway tunnel. One hot afternoon, Suraj cycles out of town just to watch a steam engine burst out of a hillside tunnel. He enjoys the thrilling rush of sound, smoke, and sparks, then wanders into the dark tunnel, curious to know what it feels like inside. Emerging on the other side, he thinks he sees a leopard on the hill and soon meets the watchman Sundar Singh, who casually confirms it was his leopard, a harmless visitor to the forest. The watchman explains his job, inspecting the tunnel before every train and signaling danger if needed, and invites Suraj to return at night to watch the night mail train. The next evening, Suraj arrives just as dusk falls. Together, they drink tea, listen to birds fall silent, and watch the jungle awaken with strange sounds. When Sundar Singh goes into the tunnel to check it, he hears something unusual, a sawing sound. It is the leopard resting inside. With only minutes before the train arrives, the watchman decides they must chase the animal away or it will die. Suraj bravely follows him despite his fear. Deep inside the tunnel, the light from Sundar Singh's lamp reveals the leopard crouched on the tracks. The animal snarls, but unsure of how many humans are shouting at it, turns and slips into the forest. The tunnel is safe again. Moments later, the rails begin to hum, and the night mail thunders through like a fierce dragon. Silence returns, and the forest seems to breathe again. Nearly a week later, Suraj travels with his father on the same night train, passing through the jungle he now knows well. As they approach the tunnel, he strains to look out, and for a brief moment, he sees a faint lamp, the watchman's lamp glowing like a firefly in the dark. Though Suraj cannot see Sundar Singh, the tiny light reminds him that his friend is there, quietly guarding trains and animals in the lonely forest. This chapter beautifully shows courage, friendship, and the magical connection between people and nature. Suraj's adventure teaches him that the jungle is full of hidden life and brave people who protect it. For travelers, Sundar Singh may appear as nothing more than a distant light in the night. But for Suraj, he becomes a lasting symbol, someone who watches over engines and leopards under the vast silence of the forest. Thank you for watching. Learn smarter and practice better. Download our app.